Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. So today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G Aurora Black 512 gig edition. We're going to be talking about how you can turn it on and off. Please stick around, check out the video, hopefully it helps. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so here's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G 512 gig edition in a very nice Gone Fishing OtterBox. It's a really nice dark blue. So today we're going to be talking about how you can turn it on and off. They move the power button from this side to this side, but it's not necessarily the power button. And I'll show you. They also put the fingerprint sensor on the screen. Okay, so there's two options you can do. One, you can slide I call it the lampshade. And you see this up here is a little power button up here. It automatically takes you to the power settings. That's one option. So you just slide the lampshade down. Top right corner you'll see the setting icon, and then you'll see a power icon. The second option for you guys would be the volume down. Let me turn this on so you can see. Okay, volume down, and this button that actuates the screen. It does turn the screen on and off, but it doesn't do anything else. I think if you hold that button down, it turns Bixby on, if I remember correctly. So if you hold these two, the volume down and this multi button, it will pop up with power off, restart, and emergency mode. So it's just a quick tip. You just hold these two buttons at the same time. Now for me, I find it easier just to use the power button up here. It's a lot easier. But that's a quick tip. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.